That's it.
There it goes. Come on now.
Get it. Don't worry about the fires.
Now it is. The thing that makes diesel engines purr. Isn't this your intake? Or is that your intake? All right.
Easy with it.
Now you're about to say, what are you going to say to me?
Okay, on the Perkins 4108, there's a little solenoid, little valve here. Well, that's just a little bit of diesel fuel going to intake. It's got a hot coil, like a heating element or a light bulb, that lights the fluid. Once the fire starts, the engine sucks that down into the chambers, and that acts as the glow plugs.
All right, so you're going to have to light this on fire.
It's a manifold heater type system, yes. So I'm going to light the ether and see what happens.
Yeah, we'll just see what happens.
Where's the lighter at?
It's probably in your pocket. Not over here. You have to have it in your pocket, man. You had it. You didn't give it to me.
I got it. That's probably all gone.
All right.
Maybe not.
Holy moly mustacholi. Mother of pearl. Wait, let me guess. This takes 4 hands to do this. You gotta turn it while you do that?
Not turning very fast either.
And that could be due to many things.
That should fire on it. Probably not decent on it either.
Yeah, but it should fire on ether.
Do you think it did?
Whether it's got diesel in it or not, it should fire on the ether. Because that's how diesel engines work. And then your plug-in would have to be the wall right there. Right behind it, right behind the bucket. Again, guys, this is a 1980, late 79, 1980 Bobcat 825 with a Perkins 4108 engine. And we're trying to get the Perkins to fire. It's currently for sale, but you might see this video after it's been sold already, but it's currently for sale. That's a little bit better than it was.
It's not even full yet.
Oh, the battery, you mean?
Yeah. Got a long way to go.
All right. So, I mean, what did they use to use this engine for other than Bobcat?
Probably, I'd say 90% of them are in sailboats.
Sailboats. So
Right.
90% of them in the Caribbean.
No. They're sold as a. It's not a beaker. It's something like that. Big stir. Some type of British shit.
So this is a British engine.
Yes, Perkins is a British company.
Perkins, British company. It's a 4-cylinder. It doesn't have glow plugs. It has
No.
injectors.
No,
And-
it takes this line right here. This feeds a little bit from the filter pump over here, and it goes into this, and that's your
Intake.
intake. And it's got that little. If you put power on that, drips diesel fuels on, starts a little fire in the intake.
Almost like burning used motor oil.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
but it's an engine instead of a fireplace.
Yeah. That's it. Right. I got number 1.
You have the lighter on it, right?
I do. You want to run some start fluid?
Well, I mean, you bought 4 cans of starting fluid. I mean, we either gonna blow up balloons in the yard, or I mean, the tire was pretty good, but the tire's already blown up. COVID-19 projects, guys. COVID-19. And I'm going to get a drink. Oh, you're priming. Priming. You want to do starter fluid and light it? Oh, it looks like Romex.
Okay, that clamps off of it. Is that hot stuck in here?
You want a clamp?
I think.
Those holes work really good for that. If you could get your engine afire, you'd be good to go all around, right?
Well, I don't know about that, but
Like hydraulic wise, right? I mean, nothing's hooked up right now, but
give me a pair of cutters, Chet.
what kind of cutters?
Something to cut the
Cut your hose?
hose and put that clamp on there.
All right. You want that clamp from up there? All right. You get a pair of dikes.
Still not gonna help us.
Pair of dikes, sir. And a...
Now, let's try to cut the fuel tank out altogether.
Well, what about... What do you mean, cut the fuel tank out? The fuel tank?
I think I got a problem.
Are you going to make a fuel tank out of an antifreeze bottle thing? Uh-oh. Oh, there you go. Ah! Oh, God. Just like sprayed out everywhere. Like, oh, my God.
She's a squirt. This Bobcat's a squirter.
The Bobcat's a squirter. So this is where the Bobcat became a squirter.
Now this is probably going to cause more of a mess.
Or fire. Or
Yeah, right here next to the exhaust pipe.
where?
Right next to
Oh,
it.
yeah, but that's not hot yet.
All right, give me some
You
time
have a
now.
way to turn it on. You have a way to turn it off.
I don't know. We'll find out.
We'll figure that out, Chip. It'll just run out of fuel.
We need to tighten this up somewhere. Though.
What do you need?
Something to put on there. Looks like 5/8 or something.
It is actually 3/4 right there. That is a...
I don't know if it's probably still going to leak. I think I'll slip it over or something.
Oh, it's tight.
Maybe.
All right.
Well, the fire extinguisher up here.
3/8.
No,
7/16. You gave me the 7/16 back. Here, take this one. Yes?
Yes.
All right. All right. It would work as Teflon tape.
All right.
Little dust in the baggie.
Dust in the baggie.
Mm-hmm.
Now, following the prime, this is how you prime old school diesels. I gotta see, make sure from the pump here. All right, see when you see, tell me when you get to see juice coming out.
Nothing. Nothing.
See, this is the low pressure pump. It's called a lift pump.
Mm-hmm.
And it's feeding. Now you should see, you don't see anything drip or anything, huh?
No.
All the rest of them loose? See high pressure diesel pumps? Injector pumps?
Mm-hmm.
Don't have any way to, they don't pick up at all. They don't suck. They've got to have air in them. I mean, you've got to get all the air out of them where the lift pump is feeding them without any air. Because they won't run with air.
Yeah.
Once we take it off, I might need to replace it all together. We need to replace it.
I don't know about replacing stuff.
Now, I think should be getting pump some fuel by now, so check pump there. Oh, I would be.
Yep.
Now let's
I like these little stubby screwdrivers. Wish I had some.
Where's that one go?
Into a hidey hole.
I don't know which pump is the. You figure out which one it feeds off of.
Flathead floats.
Let's see here.
You have some?
Fair profit. Anything happen? Okay.
God, I love the smell of diesel fuel in the morning. I love the smell of napalm in the morning. You didn't work on a
You
gas
saw
tank.
another one? You saw another one leak too?
What?
So you saw something out of here?
No, I felt it. Like I touched it.
No,
That was-
watch it.
You gotta say clear prop, chip wash the fucking injectors. That's what you need to say. Whoop. Come here.
Hey, Chip.
Hey Chip, clear prop.
Watch the fucking injectors.
Oh! Two had a drip.
Okay.
Yep.
About one.
I didn't see anything coming out. I saw two. That's why I said two!
Okay.
Sold to the lady in the second row. She's an 8, she's a 9, she's a 10. I know. Next one now. This one. 2.
Okay.
You said that was 1.
I think that's one.
All right. So
You
3
looking at
then.
it backwards. It's
3 then.
3. That'd
Three
be
then.
1.
3 then. 3. It's the 3 man. Oh. A little exhaust came out of that one.
Good.
What? We at least have exhaust now.
That's a lot easier.
It wants the fire. You know it wants to. If this was. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
You turn the crank.
Yeah.
Charge the battery up.
Yeah. But we have exhaust now. We didn't have that before.
Probably still a little bit of air in the lines too. Still not getting diesel over.
We're looking for a drip. 2's still dripping, man. 3's still dripping good. 3's dripping good, man. Now 2 just hit. 2, 3, 4 is hitting now.
Are you seeing water dripping off them?
No. Diesel's different out of them, not water.
Now.
And clear prop.
It's the
fire thing. It's
getting more smoke each time.
Fire on 1. That concerns me. The smoke.
There. Now. But.
It's alive!